Lily, are you awake now, my dear?
Yes, Mom. I am awake and I am getting out of bed.
Today I have extra work at noon, so I will come home late.
So you will not eat lunch with me today, right?
Yes, I am sorry, but I already cooked food for you.
Okay, Mom, but I feel a little sad.
Do not be sad. I will bring you a small gift when I come back.
Really, Mom? That makes me happy.
Yes, really, but you must listen to me carefully.
What do you want to tell me, Mom?
At noon, the sun is very strong and very hot outside.
Yes, Mom. I know the weather is hot today.
You must stay inside the house and not go out to play.
But my friends usually come and ask me to play with them.
You should say no and stay inside the house.
Okay, Mom. I will try to stay inside.
Please promise me that you will not go outside.
I promise you, Mom, I will listen to you.
Good girl. Now I have to go to work.
Bye, Mom. Please be careful on the way. Now I am alone at home and I feel a little bored. Maybe I can watch TV for some time. But watching TV for a long time is also boring. Lily, come outside and play with us. Oh, you are here. What are you playing today? We are playing hide and seek. It is very fun. My mom told me not to go outside today. It is okay. Just play for a short time only. I am not sure. The sun is very hot. But I'm worried about the sun. Do not worry. We will play in the shade. Okay, maybe I can play just a little bit. I will go outside for a short time only. Wow, it is really hot outside today. Come on, run faster and hide quickly! Okay, I'm coming! Wait for me! I feel a little tired when I run. That is okay, you just need some rest. My head feels a little dizzy now. Maybe you should sit down for a moment. I do not feel very well right now. Maybe you should go back home and rest. Yes, I think I should go home now. My body feels very hot and uncomfortable. I also have a strong headache now. I will lie down on the bed for a while. I feel worse and worse now. Mom, I need you. I feel very sick and weak.
Lily, what happened to you? Are you okay?
I feel very tired and my body is very hot.
Shh. Oh no, you have a high fever now. I will take you to the hospital quickly.
I am scared. I do not feel good.
Do not worry, I am here with you.
She has heat exhaustion from staying in the sun too long.
Is it serious, doctor?
It is okay because you brought her here in time.
I miss my mom very much right now.
I will call your mom immediately.
Hello, what happened?
Lily is in the hospital because she is sick.
What? I will come there right now. Lily, my dear, how are you feeling now?
Mom, I am here.
Why did you go outside when I told you not to?
I am sorry, Mom. I did not listen to you.
I was very worried when I heard the news.
I just wanted to play with my friends.
But your health is more important than playing.
I understand now. I made a mistake.
Are you still feeling tired and weak? I will stay here and take care of you.
Yes, Mom. I still feel very tired. Thank you, Mom. I feel better now. Mom, can I tell you something important?
Yes, you can tell me anything.
Next time, I will always listen to you carefully.
Are you sure about that, my dear?
Yes, Mom, I promise you again.
I only want you to be safe and healthy.
Now I understand your words very clearly.
You are a good girl when you learn from mistakes.
Please do not be angry with me anymore.
I am not angry. I just love you so much.
I love you too, Mom. Very, very much.
I love you more than anything in the world.
I will never go outside in hot weather again.
That is a very good decision.
I will always follow your advice from now on. I love you, Mommy.
That makes me very happy to hear.
Please stay with me here, Mom.
Yes, I will stay right here with you.
Thank you for taking care of me, Mom.
Of course, my sweet Lily. I love you. Now close your eyes and rest, my dear child.